अस्सलामुअलैकुम एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल एम जुनैद खान स्टेनोग्राफर। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसको सब्सक्राइब कर ले, वीडियो को लाइक कर ले और बेल के आइकन को भी ऑन कर ले। शुक्रिया। रेडी, 3, 2, 1, स्टार्ट। Few of us really know the sound of our own voices, full stop. It seems that our hearing is not planned in such a way as to let us hear ourselves perfectly, full stop. We therefore often go through life thinking we speak in one way when in fact we speak in some quite different way, full stop. Our opportunities for hearing our own voices are much better than they used to be because recording machines are now quite common and most of us can find an opportunity at some time or another to speak into such a machine and then have the record played back, full stop. Generally, such an experience is a surprise, full stop. I was perfectly very much surprised at my own voice, full stop. The first time I heard a record of it was some years ago, full stop. I was in a strange town and I went into a big store, full stop. This store offered for quite a small sum to let you speak into the recording machine and they would then send the record of your voice to any part of the world, full stop. I thought it would be good to send a few words home to my mother and I accordingly thought up a few words, said them, paid and went away, full stop. Some weeks afterwards I heard the record, full stop. It was a surprise but not just the kind of surprise I like, full stop. I had always thought I had a rather light voice and said my words reasonably quickly, full stop. I found that on the record my voice was low, almost deep, and that I had been speaking at a very low rate, full stop. Ready, 3, 2, 1, start. The governments have been very wise and helpful in passing all the acts which have brought us to this happy state, but the fact is that it was really the supply of cheap paper in great amounts that made it possible for us all to learn, full stop. Can we picture what school life would be like without our notebooks and our instruction books, question mark? There would stand a teacher and facing him would sit 20, 30 or 40 little children longing, let us say, to read and to write, to learn about the history of their own country and of other countries, to learn about their own land and about other lands, full stop. But the teacher has no books because he has no paper and the children have nothing on which they can write and then take away their work and learn it, full stop. Everything must be done from memory, full stop. The teacher has to remember what he has been told, and the children, in their turn, have to remember what they have been told, full stop. Memory is often a poor help, full stop. Nearly everyone finds it easier to learn through reading words than through hearing them, full stop. If we wish, we can read the words in a book over and over again, but the words of the teacher once said are lost forever, full stop. We can, of course, ask him to say them over again, but the time taken to learn wholly in this way would be so great that the children would end up by knowing very little in most cases, full stop. New paragraph. Learning became general when books became general, full stop. While books were the property of the few, learning was also the property of the few, full stop. Now books may be had for the asking, and learning too may be had for the asking, full stop. It is only our personal qualities that limit the field of our knowledge, full stop.